for apple, B is for ball, C is for cat, D is for doll, E is for egg, F is for fish, G is for goat, H is for hat, I is for ice cream, J is for jump, K is for kite, L is for lamp, M is for moon, N is for net, O is for owl, P is for pet, Q is for queen, R is for rain, S is for sun, T is for train, U is for umbrella, V is for van, W is for whale, X is for xylophone, Y is for yo-yo, Z is for Z.
English alphabet. A is for apple. B is for bear. C is for cat. D is for dolphin. E is for earth. F is for frog. Frog. F frog. G is for giraffe. I is for ice cream. J is for juice. K is for key. L is for leaf. L for leaf. M is for mouse. Mouse. N is for notebook. O is for owl. P is for pig. Pig. Q is for queen. R is for ring. S is for sun. T is for tree. U is for umbrella. V is for violin. W is for watermelon. X is for xylophone. Y is for yacht. Y is for yacht. Z